Od bura mamalo kwedo paro mar od buch Senet mar dwaro ni omed pok mar omenda madhi kaontis kowuok e siling bilion 405 nyaka siling bilion 465. Jafwambo mar Walter Nyambaga nigi ler ewi okang' ma od bura okawono.
E nyim od bura mamalo, jod bura onyudo oko paro mar chik mane ochwal kod od bura mar Senet mane geto mondo medgi silings bilion 60 e pok mar omenda madhi ne sirikal mag kaunti, e kendo neno ni pok makamano chopo silings bilion 465 e ka owuok silings bilion 450.
Honorable Speaker, just brief to members that this division of revenue bill, as approved by the House, had about 405 billion shillings, but the other House has since amended that and proposed that we increase that to about 465 billion. That is 60 billion shillings above what is agreed.
I now put the question at order number 12, which is that the Senate amendments to the Division of Revenue Bill, National Assembly Bill number 10 of 2025 be now considered. As members of that opinion say aye. As members of the contrary opinion say nay. The nays have it.
Od bura nyocho se yere ni pok mar omenda owinjore obed silings bilion 405 kaluwore kod kaka chal mar pesa pachoka to kod ochumi chalo.
And bearing in mind the fiscal space that we have, Honorable Speaker, it may not be practical to increase by 60 billion shillings. I hear the member for Bumula saying we should be reducing, not increasing. Therefore, Honorable Speaker, having considered that, we thought it's only fair that we reject these amendments by the Senate.
Jatend kweth mathoth e od bura Kimani Chungwa okone od bura mar Senet mondo yiegi bed kod lalruok matut mageto chiwo thuolo mar winjruok e wi kwan mar pesa ma owinjore sirikal mamalo upogne sirikand county.
Therefore, beg to move the House to reject in totality this proposal by the Senate.
It is only abnormal for anyone to think we should be increasing this monies upwards. So in that, on this thing, Honorable Speaker, I beg to reject as I second Honorable Ichungwa.
Mageti more kinde mayuarok wi omenda makongo ndara, siro somo, to kod chenro mag dongruok mamoko, osekelo liete kinde jo od bura, governors, to kod sirikal mamalo.
Out of goodwill, this House chose to do the necessary by allowing passage of revenue allocation, Honorable Speaker, under the guise that governors through COG were going to withdraw a court case, Honorable Speaker. Even though we did what we ought to have, the governors walked back on that promise, and therefore allocation has been reduced from 42 million, Honorable Speaker, per constituency under 22% to 28 million, Honorable Speaker. This is a travesty.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.
Jochiw thieth mag